Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for March 16, 2026. I'm your host, Tony. Thank you for joining me again on this edition, March 16, 2026 edition. Right now, we're going to be looking at the latest watches and warnings. As you know, the strong cold front has came through the East Coast here and is getting ready to move offshore in the mid-Atlantic and Northeast here in about another 2 hours. So by 11 p.m. Eastern time, this should be wrapping up and just providing those strong northwesterly winds. It's going to bring colder temperatures, but in the meantime, we have to deal with some severe thunderstorms here in the Carolinas and Virginia here. So the first one I'm going to look at now is the North Carolina Virginia border area. Severe thunderstorm once again for Amelia, Brunswick, Chesterfield, Emporia, Goochland, Hanover, Henrico. All of these is moving here from Richmond, basically I-95 south toward Petersburg, Dunwoody, and 85 corridor between South Hill and Petersburg, and the 95 corridor between Emporia and Richmond. So if you're coming up 95, you're going to run into this squall line of showers here that's producing hail, about 3/4 inches to an inch of hail, and it's been canceled here. So this goes to about the next 15 minutes or 13 minutes here, this severe thunderstorm warning here for this line of storms here. And once again, these severe thunderstorms are capable of producing 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, radar indicated. You can expect damage to trees and power lines here, so be very careful, especially on 64 here if you're leaving Charlottesville, heading east toward Richmond, maybe towards Short Pump and some of the suburbs of Henrico County on the north side there. You can see these line of storms here, and that extends all the way down into North Carolina here. We have some storms here approaching Roanoke Rapids and Halifax County right through I-95, and as you come into North Carolina there and Wade and Dunn and toward Rocky Mount here, these showers are heading toward Greenville and toward the coast here in about another hour. Some showers out in Outer Banks. These are non-severe storms here from Avon, Atlantic, along Highway 12 there, just south of Kildover Hills here in the Pamlico Sound. But we do have these showers here coming here, and that's what we have going on here. North Carolina, once again, in Beaufort County, Craven, Duplin, Jones, and Lenoir County. We have these severe thunderstorm warnings once again for straight line winds, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and expect damage to roof siding and trees. Jacksonville, North Carolina, toward the bases. Snow Hill, those areas down there, Grifton toward Jacksonville there, as you can see here in New Bern. So we have those severe thunderstorm warnings in those areas here, and that's the only ones that we have. As I zoom out here, you can see it's very quiet up in the DC area and Maryland and Philadelphia area here in New York City. Had a lot of rain earlier, but now that's calmed down. There could be a little snow flurries in the morning for those areas north of I-95 and north and west of I-95, especially toward the Pennsylvania Highlands and up into New York State and those areas as well. So look out for that on your Tuesday morning commute. Now, other than that, we have some warnings in Canada here. These are snow squall warnings for the Toronto area, metro area, north of Toronto. Significant snow squalls in effect for Orangeville, southern Dufferin County, and northern Dufferin County, Grand Valley, and some snow squall warnings again west of Toronto and the Hamilton area. This includes areas like Wellington County, Stratford upon Avon, along the 402 and the 401 highways here in northern Canada, northern Ontario province, heading up towards Orilla and Owen Sound. These heavy snow squalls will be approaching the Peace Bridge in Buffalo and also heading towards Erie and Jamestown. Be careful on the New York State Thruway heading back toward the Ohio Turnpike and I-90 there. Some snow squalls could be heading into that area as well as northern Pittsburgh suburb of Butler and Oil City, Pennsylvania. There's going to be some snow showers there heading into eastern Cleveland suburbs, the typical areas like Ashtabula, and heading towards Akron and Canton later on tonight. Just slight flurries that's going to be coming in that may even reach over toward Detroit, Michigan as well, as they're reporting flurries now up in Detroit at 475 towards Flint and those Warren County north of Detroit, Dearborn, those western suburbs reporting flurries tonight as we continue to experience that. Elsewhere, it's been pretty quiet here as I zoom out here. You can see heavy snow blizzard that's been ending in Milwaukee and Chicago, but light snow continues at O'Hare Airport. They're reporting light snow and conditions have been improving rapidly here for down south. But cold temperatures will prevail for tonight and through tomorrow and through the end of the week here as we go back to more of a seasonable late winter, spring, early spring type of setup here for at least the eastern 2/3 of the country. Out west, we have a ridge of high pressure that's continuing to provide a heat dome out here, and temperatures record-breaking highs continuing around this clockwise flow. Phoenix and Las Vegas both hitting triple digits by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of this week, and also entered California, Southern California. The heat continues out there as well. So this has been the Weather Guru update for watchers and warnings. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next episode, ladies and gentlemen. Take care. God bless.